Guys, I'm going to show you how you can create animations like this using your mobile phone on Canva. So if you're interested, let's dive right into today's tutorial. Alright, so to get started, you're going to be coming here to your Chrome browser and you have to go to canva.com. If you've not registered on Canva, you are going to have to go ahead to register to get started. And then the first place you're going to be going to is coming here to your video. Alright, you click on video and you're going to be asked which video format you want to select. We're going to come here to click on just this YouTube format. Alright, once you click on that, you're going to be directed to your Canva workspace. And just as you can see right here, this is our Canva workspace. It's a blank space and we're going to be coming here to where we have element. You're going to be clicking on element and the element we're going to be searching here is beautiful streets. Remember that this kind of animations, you can use it to tell stories and create interesting things for kids. Alright, so you come here to where you have graphics, you select graphics, you click on graphics, then you would see that there are so many street designs, so you can select any of them. So let's come here and select these and increase it. Alright, let's increase it very well. You can also come here and add another street. Alright, so you close this, come here to element again, select another street, increase it. Alright, so as you can see right here, once you've been able to add all the streets that you want to add right here, you'd come over here to where you have elements again. This time around, you'd come here to search for a boy riding a bicycle. Again, you're going to come here to select this graphic animation. Alright, and you, in case if you don't find it at the first site, you come here to where you have this filter option and you make sure you select it as animated. Alright, so you can select anyone you want. So here I'm going to be selecting this particular one right here. So once you select this, you just have to size it into the page just like this. So I'm going to be using this size so you can see that. So now the next thing you need to do is adding some cool animation to this. So the kind of animation we're going to be adding here, you come here to where you have this animate option right here. So you would come here to where you have tools option, you're going to select that and there you can see create an animation, drag elements around. So you're going to create your own custom animation. So what you need to do, you come here to click on that and then you would drag the person. Alright, you drag it gently to make sure that he goes across. Alright, you do that, you see that? And also you can make sure that it's for it to be more smoother. You come here to click on smooth and you see that it becomes smoother. Alright, if it's too slow, you can come here to increase the speed a bit. Alright, so you can come here to move the duplicated person and paste it into the second page like this. Alright, and you can see that the person will automatically sync into this page and you can see the same process occurs here. And to add some sounds, you're going to come here to where you have element. Alright, and this time around you go to where you have your audio. Alright, and you would come here to search for so you come here and check this out. So we can use this particular one here.